That's cool that the radio's over here.
I got a remote over here. That's the only two options are the freaking AC and remote or radio.
The only car where the passenger decides what stations it's on. It's actually cammed? Factory? Or is that just how it idles?
But it's from the... Man, I've got a build sheet on what all is done in the motor, but I don't really know exactly what all is done in the motor. But it is cammed.
This thing's got a nice interior too.
Yeah, it's, I don't know if you can tell, it's got a quilted, and then the roll bar's all Alcantara.
It's really nice. Yeah, but it's just a full-on race car. That's so badass. Is that the fuel pump in here?
Yeah,
That's cool. Is it twin pump or just one big pump?
It's just one big pump.
Do you know how big it is?
What's the brand start with the B?
B? Bosch?
I think it's a Bosch like 804.
Oh, okay.
I'm not sure what that
You're good on
what
this.
that means in freaking
yeah, because I just
pump sizes, but
it reminds me of a go-kart.
yeah, that's what it.
How a go-kart just it just goes so easily. So what's the red button on your steering wheel do?
It's just a horn.
Oh,
Yeah.
not nitrous.
No.
Imagine.
That's what everyone's like. Oh, is it the nitrous button? I've gotten to where I'm just telling people, yeah, but no, it's just the horn. If you look, it even actually has a little horn in like logo on it. Like
it's fine.
So, and everybody looks close enough, they're like, oh, that's bullshit. Yeah, everything is in like Celsius and bar. There's no PSI, so it's like I had to buy a special freaking speedo to match miles per hour instead of kilometers.
Oh, you can learn kilometers. It's not that hard.
I wanted to. I mean, I don't know. It just got annoying.
Yeah, but
And it was easy enough, like, to change out.
got a short gear ratio.
Yeah, it's super short.
No wonder that's a lot of people don't realize this. If you have a short gear ratio, you can win a lot of races.
Yeah, it's always in the power band, but yeah,
but it's made for the actual track, so it makes sense.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, this thing probably fucking rips around corners.
Like 6th gear, you know, like you can still.
Yeah.
This is usually like the best spot, but man, I hate having it right here.
There's nothing like how a single turbo feels.
It's still pulling timing though too. That's what's kind of annoying.
Is that just because it's hot?
Yeah, it's just hot.
Oh, okay.